Hello one and all, this is Dr. R. Junaid Rahman. Today I will be demonstrating a video on what is microchip and how do you insert a microchip in a dog. So this is a microchip, and microchip is nothing but a device which can be inserted in between the dog skin. They have a unique identification number. Basically they have this number which can be used to register the dog under that particular number. With this unique identification number, you know which dog it is and what you have done for the dog so far. So especially in case of street dogs, you can use this technique so that we don't name the dog per se, but you have an identification number. It's like your PAN number or Aadhaar number, things like that. So this particular unique identification number can be used to maintain that particular dog's records and other stuff. So this is your microchip reader. This is a RFID reader, universal RFID reader, where it picks up a radio frequencies and identifies the number. So this is a used microchip. I will use this to demonstrate how it works. So basically, when you have the microchip, first thing to look out for is that is it valid. So you need to check for this number 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have this 15-digit number, which is a unique identification number, and now you use the microchip reader, switch it on, and it says scanning. So you scan the device. See, now once I scan, I get that number. So now you compare both the numbers to see if it matches. So here 921 9000 87 81 43, 921 9000 87 81 43. So this is now read, and now we are very sure that whatever is in the pack and the number labeled on the pack is matching with your microchip scanner. So once you open the pack, this is how it will be. So you open the needle and you find a big needle. So don't be alarmed, this is very normal, and this just goes right under the dog's skin, and you will have the microchip inside this. So you can see that this is a used thing, but the idea is you will have the microchip. It will be like a rice grain sort of thing. You will have that inside this. So all you need to do is go under the dog skin, in between the shoulder blades, hold the skin tight, go under the dog skin and gently push it, and you need to hear that sound. Let me show you again. So you hold this firmly, ask the assistant to hold the dog. Just like giving a subcutaneous injection, go in between the shoulder blades. You need to wipe the area clean, go in between the shoulder blades and punch it in. You need to hear that clicking noise. Got it? So that clicking noise is what will dispense the microchip inside, and as you can see here, the microchip is now dispensed. And see, you can see the white part here, which means the microchip is now under the dog skin. Once you did it, after you do this particular technique, you switch on your scanner again and scan the injector first. So if you still read the microchip here, it's not injected into the dog. Then you move to the dog and you scan the dog at the place wherever you have injected. And once you scan the dog, you should find similar reading. So if you find the similar reading, then that actually means that your dog is now microchipped, and you can make a note of that microchip number. You have labels. This is a label. Okay. So do not throw this sheet away. This is a label. So you can use this label and register your particular dog or a pet with this number and maintain records easily. So this is how you microchip, and this is done at our clinic. So people who would like to get their dogs microchip, give us a call. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.